Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be taking a look here at AMD stock. This is one that we have been trading massively over the last few months, but here over the last few hours, the stock has made a nasty turn to the downside, all the way from around $90 a share to now $75, and looking like it could even break lower to a new support level. So I want to talk about what it's going to take for this stock to break lower, how I'm looking to profit from this trade, and really what you should do as a trader with any stock that looks like it might be heading lower than the current price you have it at. Because guys, really we need to be prepared for a second market downturn. We know that a lot of people really are selling the news in May, and that is not great for any type of stock market, but especially with these stocks like AMD, like Apple, that have been growing consistently over the last few months. These are really being hit the hardest in this tech sector. A lot of our other plays like XOM have been able to rotate and continue growing, but really with this AMD, Neo, Palantir, etc., we've been seeing a lot more turn to the downside, and that's how I've been able to make over 70% on put options over the last few days. So again guys, we're looking to target AMD right now for a put play, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know in order to make around 40% profit on this trade. So again guys, please stay tuned until the end, and if you learn something new, don't forget to like and subscribe, because I'll be having a lot more options plays coming by the end of the week. So like I just explained guys, AMD is at a very critical level here. We are looking at the daily chart, which means that every single candle on this chart is representing 1 day of price action. And right now you can see that in the last 6 or 7 days, we have been in a clear downtrend, heading from the highs of 90 now to 75. And recently in the last few months, this has been the price target, $75, where AMD has not been able to break down, and where we've had massive supply or buying from other type of retail investors, institutions, etc. on AMD stock. And over the last few days, we really have tested this level well, twice to be in fact, and also we might even be coming down to test a third time. So really tomorrow will be a critical day on AMD stock, and that's when we'll be looking to make our massive options play with this company. Now on AMD, there is a possibility that they do come back to the upside, but I think that that is not as likely as them having a second leg down. We've seen a lot of other companies, like I referenced, Palantir and Neo, breaking down over the last few days. And very quickly, I want to show you what that looked like for these companies. You can see that with Palantir, they were clearly bouncing at a certain level, similar to the 75 on AMD before they broke down below. And with Neo, this is exactly the same thing. They were bouncing very clearly at around this $35 level before now making a clear leg down. And I really do think that if Neo breaks below this 34, then I will get paid handsomely tomorrow, because I am in on weekly options. So those are expiring on the 14th. And those have a massive opportunity of making profit if Neo can continue pushing down. So that's how we're going to play these, very short term. But again, guys, those are very cheap. Even though they have a high amount of risk, I do recommend you guys to be careful. But at the same time, there is a lot of opportunity with AMD, Neo, Palantir, and that's what we've been doing this whole week, just shorting those three names, and it's been working very, very well. But right now, AMD does want to join that group, so take an eye on the stock, guys. Any break below 75 will really be that indication that we are heading lower. Even though we are having some massive shorts over the last few days, there really is only down to go from here, because as you can see, the stock is not going to be recovering to 94 anytime soon. It's very obvious that the price action is selling, and even though we have had volume consistently up, it wouldn't surprise me if tomorrow or the day following, the volume did start to ramp in a red direction. So again, guys, keep your eye on AMD. Now, my price target for it when it does drop is going to be around $70 to $68. If it breaks below that level even, then I'm watching $57 a share, which is our ultimate support. I do not think it will reach this level, but if it does, then excellent, guys. I will be massively loading up on AMD. $57 a share is an unbelievable price if we can hit it. That is my really outlandish price target. But again, guys, $70 in the short term is what I'm coming to expect here on AMD. So make sure you're in on the play, guys. If you make profit, please write me down below, because I love to help you guys and see when you are able to make profit on a play. But as always, guys, be very careful, because options are risky, but there is a lot of profit to be made. And I did make a good play on Neo and Palantir over the last days in the Discord. So again, also, if you want to check that out, it is completely free to join and use in the description down below, as well as the TradingView, which is the platform you're seeing me trade on here, and the platform that I use to set up all my trades. So again, guys, there really is no secrets when I trade. I try to show you guys everything I do, my thought process, analysis, etc., to show you how I can be so certain and so clear on my stock picks and stock ideas. So again, guys, if you enjoyed or learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe. But as always, I hope all your plays are in the green.